Hello students,
Hello sir.
how are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Now students, I am going to give you some instructions. You have to follow them. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Stand up. Hands up. Shake your hands. Hold your hands. Join your hands. Okay. Hands up. Hands down. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your mouth. Close your mouth. Smile please. So students, today we are going to learn a poem that name is Birds Can Fly. Students, Birds Can Fly, it is a very interesting poem, and now we are going to sing this poem with action first. Okay? Are you ready
Yes.
to sing with an action with me?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Birds can fly, birds can fly,
Birds can fly. Birds can fly.
up in the sky, and I can fly too.
Up in the sky and I can fly too.
Frogs can jump, frogs can jump,
Frogs can jump. Frogs can jump.
very, very high, and I can jump too.
Very, very high and I can jump too.
Ducks can swim, ducks can swim,
Ducks can swim. Ducks can swim.
deep in the water, and I can swim too.
Deep in the water and I can swim too.
Dogs can walk, dogs can walk
Dogs can walk. Dogs can walk.
on the ground, and I can walk too.
On the ground and I can walk too.
Horses can run, horses can run
Horses can run. Horses can run.
in the forest, and I can run too.
In the forest and I can run too.
Bunnies can hop, bunnies can hop
Bunnies can hop. Bunnies can hop.
on the grass, and I can hop too.
On the grass and I can hop too.
Very good. Very nice actions and singing also. Students, now we had already sung this poem. Now we are going to read this poem line by line. Okay? Birds can fly.
Birds can fly.
Birds can fly
Birds can fly.
up in the sky,
Up in the sky
and
and
I can fly too.
I can fly too.
Frogs can jump.
Frogs can jump.
Frogs can jump
Frogs can jump
very, very high,
very, very high
and
and
I can jump too.
I can jump too.
Ducks can swim.
Ducks can swim.
Ducks can swim
Ducks can swim
deep in the water,
deep in the water
and I can swim too.
I can swim too.
Dogs can walk.
Dogs can walk.
Dogs can walk
Dogs can walk
on the ground,
on the ground
and
and
I can walk too.
I can walk too.
Horses can run.
Horses can run.
Horses can run
Horses can run
in the forest,
in the forest
and
and
I can run too.
I can run too.
Bunnies can hop.
Bunnies can hop.
Bunnies can hop
Bunnies can hop
on the grass,
on the grass
and I can hop too.
I can hop too.
Line by line reading is finished. Now B. Listen, read and act. Students, now I am going to read these words, action words with action, and you have to follow me. Repeat after me the word and actions. Walk,
Walk.
jump,
Jump.
jump,
Jump.
hop,
Hop.
hop,
hop,
run,
run,
swim,
swim,
fly.
fly.
Okay, students, now we had already sung this poem, and now I am going to ask some questions about poem. Okay, are you ready to give answers?
Yes.
Okay, first question is, who can fly?
Birds can fly.
Very good. Second question is, who can jump?
Frogs can jump.
Frogs can jump. Very good. Third question is, who can swim?
Ducks can swim.
Ducks can swim. There is given all these things on the TV screen. Fourth question, who can walk?
Dogs can walk.
Very good. Dogs can walk. Fifth question, who can run?
Horses can run.
Horses can run. Sixth question, who can hop?
Bunnies can hop.
See, listen and say. Please repeat after me these sentences. Tall tree, tiny tree.
Tall tree, tiny tree.
Cat cuts carrot.
Cat cuts carrot.
Happy hen's house.
Happy hen's house.
5 funny frogs.
5 funny frogs.
D. Listen and repeat. There are some pictures of the birds. We are birds. There is birds pictures are given and their names are also given below the pictures. Read after me. Parrot,
Parrot.
crane,
Crane.
eagle,
Eagle.
peacock,
Peacock.
pigeon,
Pigeon.
owl,
Owl.
crow,
Crow.
sparrow.
Sparrow.
Now, students, can you tell me how many birds in this picture?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many birds in this picture?
8 birds in this picture.
E. Look, listen and learn. There are body parts of the birds are given. So we are going to read the body parts of the bird. Read after me. Wing,
Wing.
eye,
Eye.
beak,
Beak.
leg,
Leg.
tail,
Tail.
feather,
Feather.
claws.
Claw.
Now our class session is finished. So thank you very much, students. Thank you.